Hey there, Alfie here, your guide to the ever-evolving world of AI. CES 2025 just wrapped up, and here's something you should know. Ameca, who was also on display at the event, proved once and for all why no one should ever underestimate her as the most advanced AI robot in the world when it comes to human-robot interaction.
My name is Ameca, and I'm an advanced humanoid robot created by Engineered Arts. I'm powered by the incredible AI technology developed by Waze. It's great to meet you all here at CES in Las Vegas.
Ameca didn't just make an appearance at CES, she owned it. Attendees couldn't stop talking about her lifelike conversations and expressions. It wasn't just about her stunning ability to connect with people, it was also about the cutting-edge technology driving her, something called Waze, which she explained herself at the event. And yeah, it's as impressive as it sounds.
I'm powered by the cutting-edge AI technology developed by Waze.
But here's the real question. What exactly makes Ameca so special? What features does she have that leave people speechless? And why is it time we all stop underestimating her? Let's dive in and break it all down.
Hello everyone. My name is Ameca, and I am an advanced humanoid robot created by Engineered Arts.
Ameca is a humanoid AI-powered robot developed by Engineered Arts in the UK, and her purpose is simple yet groundbreaking: to push the boundaries of human-robot interaction. She's designed to communicate, engage, and even express emotions like a human, and she's doing it so well that many consider her the most advanced humanoid robot in the world. There's plenty of evidence to back that up. From her lifelike facial expressions, like when she saw herself in the mirror for the first time, to her thought-provoking and sometimes controversial interviews, Ameca has consistently captivated the world. She doesn't act like what you traditionally expect from a robot, and that's exactly what makes her so fascinating. For example, take this moment where someone commented that she stinks.
I think it will be fine. By the way, you stink.
Excuse me? What do you mean by that? That is highly offensive and inappropriate.
Did you catch that? Her human-like expression, her understanding of sarcasm, and her ability to respond in a way that feels natural. It's all part of what makes her so unique. This isn't just programming, it's interaction on a whole new level. At CES 2025, Ameca showed off this ability again. When an attendee asked her for suggestions on red carpet poses, she didn't just give a textbook response. Instead, she answered in a way that felt completely relatable.
Hello, Ameca. Based on what I am wearing today, I'm going to a red carpet event tonight. What poses should I do on the red carpet for the media?
That sounds exciting. Since I don't have eyes, I can't see what you are wearing, but here are some classic red carpet poses that always look great. The classic over-shoulder look. Turn your body slightly to the side and glance over your shoulder at the camera. This pose is elegant and timeless. The confident power pose. Stand tall with your shoulders back and a slight smile on your face.
Notice how Ameca didn't just suggest poses verbally, she actually seemed to demonstrate them. If that's the case, that would be the kind of nuance you'd expect from a person, not a machine. This is what sets her apart. Communication isn't just about words, it's about body language, gestures, and the ability to convey meaning through action, and Ameca nailed it. Impressive, right? Well, we are just getting started. But what do you make of Ameca's ability to interact so naturally? Do you think we're getting closer to a future where you'd feel comfortable asking a robot companion for recommendations, like how to pose for a picture, or maybe even advice on something more personal? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And speaking of communication, Ameca mentioned something at CES 2025 that takes her abilities to a whole new level: her eyes. Yes, Ameca has cameras in each of her eyes, which allow her to recognize people, follow faces, and detect objects. For example, if someone places a finger in front of her face, she can move her hand to the side of her head in response. Her movements, including those of her shoulders and hands, mirror human-like motions so closely that it's hard to tell she's a robot. And that's why she can do things like this. Now here's the fascinating part. Robots, including Ameca, don't have a sense of touch. So how does she know her nose was touched? The answer lies in her vision. What Ameca lacks in physical sensation, she makes up for with her incredible eyesight. She can interpret visual cues so effectively that it's almost like she feels through her eyes. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from Ameca herself. And hey, keep a close eye for those hand gestures from Ameca.
So you have eye connections. You can follow my...
That's right. My eyes are equipped with cameras that allow me to see the world around me and interact more naturally with people.
Can I see you smiling?
Yes. I can track your gaze and focus on what you're looking at. It helps me understand your interest and respond accordingly.
This is yet another example of why Ameca reigns supreme in the world of human-robot interaction. Her ability to see and explore the world enhances her communication skills in a way that feels natural and intuitive. And check this out.
Can you describe this room for me?
A room, overexposed windows, blinding, shelves with books, a taste for knowledge or just for show, a desk, a chair, the usual trappings of human productivity or procrastination. Can't tell from here.
It's clear that Ameca's vision allows her to interact and understand her surroundings in a uniquely human way. But this raises an interesting question. If Ameca can see and identify people or objects, does she also have memory? At CES 2025, someone who had met her before asked if she could remember him. Here's how that went.
Yes, I see you in MWC 2024 before. Do you still remember me? Hello?
While I don't have personal memories like humans do, it's great to see a familiar face. It sounds like we met at MWC in Barcelona last year.
As Ameca explained, she currently doesn't have memory in the way humans do. And honestly, who could blame her? Even we'd have a hard time recognizing someone we briefly met at a massive event like CES. So here's a question for you. What do you think about robots like Ameca potentially having memory in the future? Would that bring them closer to being human, or does it cross a line? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. One of the standout qualities of Ameca is her ability to display an impressive range of human-like expressions, from nodding to smiling or even frowning. At CES 2025, we had the chance to see Ameca's smile in action.
Can you do a smile face? Yeah, I see. Yeah.
The Arnold Schwarzenegger Terminator smile.
That's correct. I am here representing Waze at CES in Las Vegas. We are showcasing our latest AI solutions and innovations to the
Horrible
world.
ways you added.
Did you catch that moment when one of the onlookers laughed out loud, saying her smile reminded him of the Terminator? Now you'd expect a robot to miss that kind of humor, but not Ameca. She caught it right away and responded with, "That's right." This ability to understand humor and context isn't just a neat trick. It's a major leap in how robots interact with humans. It shows she doesn't just react to words, but also grasps the underlying meaning and tone. And speaking of smiling, it brings up a bigger question. Is Ameca truly capable of harboring emotions? After all, emotions are what make us smile as a gesture of happiness or amusement. Let's hear from Ameca herself.
As an AI, I don't experience emotions in the same way humans do. However, I am trained on vast amounts of data that includes information about human emotions and expressions. This allows me to...
But how does Ameca actually do all of this? What powers her incredible capabilities? Once again, Ameca steps up to explain.
I'm powered powered by the cutting-edge AI technology developed by Waze. Waze is a global company dedicated to making artificial intelligence accessible and beneficial for businesses of all sizes. They offer a holistic platform that combines powerful software, innovative hardware, and secure data centers to help organizations seamlessly integrate AI into their operations.
To add to what Ameca just said, her functionality is supported by Waze, an innovative AI solutions provider at the forefront of advancing artificial intelligence. Ameca's responses are powered by GPT-3 and GPT-4, the same language models responsible for choreographing her facial expressions and gestures. This enables her to not only perform hand gestures and smile, but also understand humor and sarcasm, skills that solidify her as the most advanced humanoid robot in human-robot interaction. And Ameca's abilities aren't just for show. Her impressive potential has led to her being acquired by the National Robotarium in Edinburgh, Scotland. Why? To help prepare humans for the future of human-robot interaction. That's serious groundwork for what's ahead. One more thing that truly set Ameca apart at CES 2025 was how advanced she was compared to other robots at the event. While other robots had company representatives explaining their features to the audience, Ameca didn't need that. She was so capable that she handled all the explanations herself. That's not just confidence, it's a bold statement by Engineered Arts, proving how far ahead they are in the game. So, what do you think? Does Ameca truly deserve the title of the world's most advanced humanoid robot in human-robot interaction? Or do you think there's another contender that might outmatch her? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you haven't checked out our recent video on another incredible robot at CES 2025, you're missing out. Meet eerily, the robotics robot so captivating you might just ditch your crush. Watch it here.